condition after the condition yesterday we have seen, but today condition inside a condition. That means if one condition satisfies, then check the another condition. If that is also satisfies, then check another condition. Suppose there are like multiple.
Greater of three numbers.
Yeah, yeah, greater
I
of three
think
numbers we
it will
can
be
do this way.
it will be
Yeah,
best
greater of three
example.
numbers we can do this way. So we'll check whether
Yeah,
A is greater than B. Then again we'll
and
go
A
inside
is
and
greater than
B
C.
is greater than C. So like that we'll check. So that means A is
Yeah,
greater. So like this we can see. And the perfect example in real time is you will be having the user data. Okay, a user data. So let's say a student data. In the student data you have school name, class name, and the marks and the subjects, everything. Now I want to display the marks of the student. Okay, then what I have to check in multiple schools, if my application is dealing with the multiple schools, first condition we have to check is if the user is if the student is part of particular school. Okay, if the student is part of, suppose let's say SRKVN is a school name. Okay, so if the student school name is equal to SRKVN, we'll check. If the student school name is from SRKVN, then the next condition is the student. Okay, the student is from class 10th. We'll check. Okay, then we'll check whether the name is Raghu. Okay, then the name is Raghu. Then console.log will print the marks of the Raghu. Okay, if the SRKVN itself, the school name itself is failing, so do I need to check for the class name and the name of the user, name of the student? No, na.
no, sir.
So this is a nested if else. We'll write programmatically, then it will be very clear to you. Let me launch the Lightning Studio. This is very slow for me. I'll write here, then I will copy paste to that. Okay, let it load. If suppose there is a data, okay, there is a data. What kind of data? School name equal to some SRKVN. Okay, SRKVN class name.
Or else rank one got an gold
Huh.
medal like that.
Yeah,
It
even
will be
that
there.
case also works fine.
Yeah.
Class 10. Then we have ST name, student name equals to Raghu. Okay. Then student grade equals to A plus. Okay. These are the student details. Now, one after the other, we have to check the condition. First, if, okay, if school name
Full name.
equal to some
Okay.
SRKVN. Okay. Then inside that, not after that, if this satisfies,
If
then
again if
again, if class name equal to particular class 10, then if this is also satisfies, if st dot name equal to Raghu. Okay, Raghu, then
sir, in
console.
quotes, single quote or double quotes.
है Raghu. Okay, console.log student grade. Okay, this is our requirement now. This is our requirement. So this we have to like paste it. Let's say we'll start using let let let. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is the requirement now. Okay, this is our requirement. So first we'll check with this one. Okay, student name equals to this one. I mean school name equals to this one. Like this, we'll check. So let's say that we will write in a good way. Console dot log school topper from SRKVN is Raghu with grade as below. Okay. Then, then, then we'll take one more scenario. Okay. One more scenario. Same concept. Same concept. Okay. His school name is supposed to, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then it's the class 9 restaurant. Okay. So it will be again Karthik. So based on the requirement, I'm changing the text. So the computer check thoroughly. The first thing is Kakati, school name and school name, and then it comes to the class name. Okay, class name. Okay, like this it should check. Now, for the given student details, which if else which will satisfy? Which will satisfy? This one or
First
this
one.
one? First one. Okay, first one. Okay. Then suppose here again I can write else also. Else console dot log no student with name Raghu found. Okay. So condition inside a condition, and that also if and else everything we can write here. But this is in a different pattern. It's a nested pattern. We say nested if else. Okay. Nested if else. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Now let me copy this and let us go to this one. File, new lightning web component, nested if else. I hope it's clear for everyone. Okay, we'll test practically. Just one thing, conditions, so you know how to check it. But this is a inside nested. Okay, one after the other you are checking step by step. Okay, today it will load very slowly only. Now suppose student name change it to just once. Okay, which will satisfy, which condition will go now, which will, I mean, which statement will execute, this statement or this statement? See thoroughly and tell me, don't get hurry burry. Hmm?
Else
Else
statement.
else statement.
Which else one?
First first else.
First else.
Yeah,
No
first else one
no
it will
student
execute
with the name.
because Kakadiya it won't go for sure because here only it will drop out. Huh?
Yeah.
Then in the SRKVN, this also condition will satisfy. So it will enter into this condition. Now inside this condition, this is failing. Only Raghu is failing. Every other condition is true. So else condition will satisfy. Okay.
Instead of writing another if statement, we can also write we can write in else statement this Kakatiya school 9.
Uh, here else.
Yeah, no, no,
Hmm.
no, no,
Hmm,
not here. Instead of
hmm.
writing in if, here only we can write in else statement this.
Which line? Which
He's
line?
a 13th line. He's asking in
Uh,
13th line.
in 13th line.
In the 13th line.
Instead of printing console.log, no student phone. We
Uh-huh.
can also print.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That will be
Mm.
fine. Okay. Suppose. Okay. Suppose. Okay. Now.
I think we have to write one more else statement, because if this condition true
Ah,
only, then it goes
so
inside
see,
the if statement.
it's like a bug. See,
Yeah, yeah,
you
got it.
will fail here only.
Yeah,
Kakatiya school name will
it,
come here only, the check. So
it
the
won't go inside
it won't go.
else.
It won't be school name is SRKB and again the school name is Kakatiya. Both the condition will not satisfy, na. So that's
One more else down. We have to write one more else statement
down
for
if I
if
write
statement.
else.
Yeah.
Down if I write else.
Now it will be
Yeah. Let's check. Let's
yeah.
check. If I write else na, what happens? If schoolem is failing for SRKVN, then it go for the Kakatiya. Okay?
Yeah,
So,
that's what I'm saying.
but suppose like this there are there. Okay? Like this
Uh,
it is.
if
Or
there are two condition, we can
ah,
write yeah, else
yeah.
statement.
So school name changed again. So
Yeah.
if one is failing, it should go for other, then it's fine. Okay? Whatever you are saying, it's fine.
Yeah.
But you have to check simultaneously, then that will be that will be good in this way. Okay?
Yeah.
Ah, now, 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 let us take the another example. Okay, the another example. Oh, it is still loading for me. No problem. So this one is clear now. You can try it. I'll send this in your chat so you can try it.
This we can write in one in other way also, like using operator and operator
Using
and operator.
yes. You can write. Suppose like this, no.
Yeah,
So
because it will
we'll
become
take this.
too long.
Yeah. So that is the optimized solution. Optimized solution. So we'll write like this. And
And operator.
okay, class name.
Mm.
But this one you can't, no? This one you can't.
Uh,
Okay, this
uh,
definitely you have to write nested only because here there
I
is a else
think we
condition.
should, no,
Hmm?
I think we should use or, not and, I think so.
No,
no, and
and only because the student should
No.
be from SRKVN and class 10 only.
it should satisfy all the conditions. So we
It should
have to
satisfy all
use
the conditions now. Yashwant.
and operator.
See, if suppose the student is from SRKVN, but the student is from class 9
Yeah,
and the Raghu is
but
found in the class 9, so it will print.
can we do like this? If school name is equals to SRKVN,
If
or school name is equals to Kakatiya, we can give like this also, right?
we can do
Yeah,
we
we
can do
can do
it.
it.
We can do it.
We can also
Suppose
do it.
yeah, if I do that, then again I can't say class 10 because the requirement is for the
Class name.
Kakatiya class name. So I see this is not the like a real time exact example. Just to show you the nested if else condition, I have shown you. Okay.
Okay.
We can write it anyway. JavaScript provides us a multiple ways to write the conditions. Okay, and it is very easy also to write, but it depends on us how optimized we are. It depends on us. Okay, so now this is the optimized solution. I can say if the school name is SR Kevin and class 10, then this one. If the school name is this one and from the student is from class 9, then this one. Okay, then that will be very good to understand. Okay. So again, we can write else if. Else if, not instead of else, we can write else if. Then we can write final else also. No student or no school has a topper. Like this, we can whatever. So this is like nested if else, ladder if else, and if instead if whatever. Okay, the multiple things we are checking. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Not clear? Who have doubts? Please raise your hand. Okay, or ping in the chat if you can't speak. I'll repeat because this is very important because in real time we will be using multiple condition checks. Okay, multiple condition checks we'll be using in real time. Okay, okay, no questions. Hmm. Now, oh my god, still it is not loading for me. Let me, let me uh, explain you the switch one, switch. Okay. Which website? Not opening on file. We'll execute here instead of in the LWC. Okay. Just a minute, just a number. This will be best. So we have seen now a if else example now. Nested if else. Yesterday we have seen uh, one after other checks, one after other checks. So yesterday ladder. So that one only we are going to see now. Okay, that same that concept. Okay, same that concept. Okay, same that concept we are going to see now. Okay, let us execute here. Okay, okay. We'll take another example. Let just a minute, just a minute. Let's use then user equals to Kalyan. Username is Kalyan. Okay, username is Kalyan. Or let's say, yeah, username is Kalyan. Okay. First, I'll let you explain this one. Then I will go to the another one. Second. Hmm. Something issue. Something issue.
It's still loading side is.
Yeah. See what happens is whatever this one is there now. This one will give 0, 1, 2 like this. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2 numbers it will give. So based on numbers, it will print the today's date. Okay, we'll take a basic example. It's loading for me. Hmm, let let hmm, let letter equals to a. Okay, that letter equals to A. Okay, case A is E I O okay, O U. Okay, I O U. Then we'll not check for this one. Okay, not check for this one. Hmm. Letter, letter. Hmm. 1 second.
Not plugging the charger.
Hmm? No, no,
The
I
charger.
don't have the power.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm connected to my mobile only. Hmm. I think more 17%. So I think we can complete this topic. Oh, well, it's very small topic, but it's like alternative for effects of.
Okay.
remove this HTML అంటే ఓన్లీ స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ చేయండి చూద్దాం.
ఇది స్క్రిప్టా మనకు ప్రింట్ కాదు
లేదు
కదా ఇక్కడ.
అచ్చా HTML ప్రింట్ కాదా?
మనం HTML ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాం, లాగ్స్
ఓకే
యూజ్ చేయము మనం.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఇక్కడ ఏం అర్థమైందంటే, ఓకే, సో what we are checking here is I have declared a property. Okay, I have declared a variable. What is the variable value I have given? A. Okay, then from here the actual thing starts. From where? Here. Okay, switch, case, break, default. There will be four keywords. What are there? When we are talking about the switch concept, switch, case, break, and in the final there will be something called as default. We'll talk about the default. So but basically case and break we'll see, and switch we have to write in this way, like if and else only. Then we will give some value here. Okay, we'll give some variable here. If the variable is a, then do this. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes.
If
Yeah.
variable is equal to case, means that is like checking here, we are checking here. If the case e means letter 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 equal to e, we are asking this way. Okay, okay, instead of
Hello.
asking this way, okay, if we can write like this, if letter equal to e, we can write it. Okay, like this. Else if, again we can write like this. Again same. Next also we can write like this. Okay, next also we can write like this. Next also we can write. So instead of e, so I.
In the message you can change and we can get clarify easily.
Where?
Message is equals to vowel, right? For A, we can write it as vowel A, vowel E.
Okay.
Then it will
Okay.
be easy
Okay.
to
Okay.
identify.
Okay. Let me do that. Vowel A, E, um, um. Okay. So we are checking. Okay. The word is vowel A. So if we change it to E, the word is vowel E. If I change it to some, let's say W, what is undefined? Means that means whatever the message is there, na message is having null, nothing. So it is undefined. Whatever undefined is there, that we printed here. Okay. Now, now we have default. Okay.
Default.
Default. So here we'll say default. Default means if
Default
last
message.
else, last else you will write na in if else you write last else. So like this, it's a default message. Means none of the above is true. Then message equals to consonant. Okay, message equals to consonant. Okay, got it. If none of them is true, then this one. Now let us say I'll remove break. I'll remove break. Okay, I'll remove break. It's consonant now. So let me change it to A.
No.
Okay, where it should stop? It should stop here only, nine, because it found the case A. So it should stop here only. But let's see. Okay, it is stopping here because the message value is getting here populated. But what happens internally is what happens internally is it will not stop here. Okay, the JavaScript will not stop here. Although it got it got success here, it will also check these conditions. Okay, it will also check this condition. So whenever something case is executed to stop there the iteration, I mean execution of the code in the back in the system, we have to use break. If we won't use the break, what happens? It will go and keep on checking whether case is E, whether case is I, whether case is O, whether case is O. It will go till default. Okay. We'll see in the tomorrow's class. My laptop will shut down. Okay. So, but let me share it with you. You play it, and we'll see how whether you can understand or not. Okay, switch is little tricky, but if you understand, that will be easier than if else. Okay, not only in JavaScript, in any other language also we have switch. Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Yes, sir.
oh, okay. We'll continue tomorrow. My PC will shut down. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Bye.